Hello everyone, welcome to ThinkComputer YouTube channel. In this video, I will be explaining about int function in QBASIC. So in QBASIC, int is a built-in function and it returns the integer part of a number by rounding down to the nearest whole number. So you have int, inside the parenthesis you have to write the expression or the variable or the value which you want to convert to int, okay? For example, if you write int 5.5, so it will convert the number to integer form by rounding down the value, okay? So 5.5, if you round down the value, it becomes 5. Similarly, int of 2.1, if you do the rounding down, then it will become 2. 9.89 will become 9. So basically it is reducing the value and converting the value to an integer form by removing the fractional part, okay? Let's see more examples. So if we do int of 1.25, that gives us 1, okay? So it is reducing the value. 50.05 gives us 50. Again, it is reducing the value. Same 25.0, 25 will be returned. 24 will be returned. That means if the number is already an integer number, means already a whole number, there is no fractional part, then the same number will be returned. In negative number, notice minus 4.5 is giving us minus 5. The question is why it is not giving us minus 4. The answer is that the int function, it reduces the value. It is rounding down. So if you follow the number line, here I have number line for you. Here we have 0 at the center. This side is the negative, this side is the positive. So rounding down means the value will always go towards the negative side, means towards the minus sign. Understood? So if the value is minus 4.5, you have to reduce the value. So less than minus 4 is minus 5 in negative numbers, right? That is why minus 4.5's int is giving us minus 5. Why it is not giving us minus 4? Because minus 4 will be rounding up. We are not rounding up, we are rounding down in the int function. Similarly, minus 14.798, so reducing the value gives us minus 15. Minus 0.45, reducing the value gives us minus 1. Minus 9.01, again reducing the value gives us minus 10. Minus 5, same number will be returned. Minus 5.0, same number will be returned. Okay, so it will not change the value if the fractional part of the number is not significant. Like in this example, minus 5, there is no fractional part. Okay, so same number will return. In minus 5.0, the fractional part is 0.0. So 0.0 has no significance, so same number will return. But if you do minus 5.01, so 0.1, that 1 is creating the significance in the fractional part. So it will do the rounding down. So the minus 5.01 will become minus 6. So int function is very important to understand because in many of the output questions, int function may be given. Thank you everyone for watching.